Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you all are safe and fine. As we all know, coronavirus has spreaded all over the world and affecting so many peoples. Also, we don't have proper vaccine to deal with it. So, it becomes our own responsibility to take a proper care of us and others. So today we are discussing about what is coronavirus or COVID-19, how it is spreading, its symptoms and what are the preventive measures. But before moving forward, if you have not subscribed my channel, then hit the subscribe button and the bell icon for the further updates of the coming videos. Let's get started. Coronavirus or COVID-19 is a virus which causes coronavirus disease. Virus is basically a special type of microorganism. Why? Because virus requires a host, that is a plant or animal, for their growth and development. Without host, a virus is nearly a dead microorganism. Coronavirus also requires host for the growth and development. Earlier, coronavirus was only found in animals and it is common in them. But during the first week of December in South China Wuhan Sea Market, something unusual took place. It is said that coronavirus present in one of the animal transferred to one of the human being. This virus infected the person and all the persons who were in contact with that infected person also got infected. After infection, they got sick and went to the doctor named Dr. Li Wen. After inspection, doctor found out that the person was infected with unusual type of virus which was not known to be present in the humans till now and spreading at a very faster rate. After some more research, doctor immediately reported to the government. But the government, instead of taking action towards the virus, they arrested the doctor for spreading wrong rumors. But coming towards the first week of the January, complete Wuhan city was infected. Wuhan seafood market was completely closed and whole Wuhan city was under complete lockdown. But it was too late. Before China announced lockdown, virus spread it all over the world and the doctor who first informed about the virus died because of virus itself. During the month of February-March 2020, WHO announced coronavirus as pandemic. But it was too late. Coronavirus has already affected large number of people all around the world. Now, the question arises from which animal the coronavirus came. It is assumed that it came from bats, which were sold in Wuhan seafood market because the genetic code of the virus resembled to the bats. But after research, Journal of Medical Virology told that it originated from the cobra. But till now, nobody can confirm where it originated. Now suppose you have coronavirus, then these are the symptoms which are observed in them. But there are many cases which don't show any symptoms. They are called asymptomatic patients. What happens when you get COVID-19? This virus enters into your body by means of your nose, mouth or eyes. When the virus enters into your body, it gets inside your lungs. Virus attaches to the epithelial cells of the lungs and injects its own genetic material into it and starts multiplying inside the epithelial cell. When the cell is attacked by the virus, the cell gets critical and the cell starts destroying itself, and these multiplied cells attacks other cells and gradually kills all the cells of the lungs. And as these virus multiply significantly, immune system gets activated. Our immune system attacks the virus and kicks the virus outside the body. Hence, those who have strong immune system, they get recover very easily. But those who have weak immune system, they struggle and die. But majority of the cases, people survived. Only those who are of old age has more chances of death than younger one. But though we are young, it doesn't mean we don't have to take any kind of safety. Yes, we have to maintain a safety precautions. How coronavirus is spread? It spread from one person to another by direct contact. Hence, handshake should be avoided. Whenever you bring any fruits or vegetables from the market, wash it with a lukewarm water with salt in it. It will clean your food items properly. Also, when you buy items with plastic packaging, clean it with alcohol-based sanitizer. There is also a possibility that a virus can be present in solid surface and can stay alive for 3 to 4 days. Hence, it is most important to sterilize each and everything before use and wash your hands with soap before doing any work. Wear mask whenever you go outside. Hence, social distancing is the best way to deal with the coronavirus. For that purpose only, everywhere lockdown is going on. It is assumed that vaccine will be made till December 2020. But exactly when, we don't know. According to the study of Singapore University of Technology and Design, it is estimated that till 30th May, coronavirus will be overcome by 75%. Till 16th June, it will be 99%. And till 27th of November 2020, coronavirus will be overcome by the whole world. But it is just a predicted terms. We cannot tell what exactly will be the date because it depends upon the number of new patients found and the recovery rate of the affected patient. Hope you like my video. If you think this video is helpful, then hit the like button. Stay safe, stay healthy. Goodbye everyone. Take care.